Horses out. It's a scramble in front position. We have Save Our Queen. Pass to begin. Moving up. Carry over. Dreamworks. Don Sentry. Manpower. Donnery inside. Govili. Ingay. Master's Degree. Then followed by IMAX. King's Treasure. Sound Value. Simple Beauty. Firepacks. And Highway Builder. And going along for the first turn, we have Save Our Queen by about 2 lengths. Moving up now in second is Don Sentry. Ingay now to take third. Then followed by Carry Over in fourth. Manpower alongside Dreamworks. Govilis comes next. King's Treasure. IMAX. Master's Degree. Sound Value. Highway Builder. Firepacks and Simple Beauty. They swing into the back. And that's still Save Our Queen by about 3 lengths. Don Sentry still in second. Carry Over in third. Ingay remains in fourth. Moving up Dreamworks. Manpower. And that's still Save Our Queen by about 3 lengths. And in second, moving up now is Carry Over. Donnery inside. Don Sentry. Manpower. Ingay is Donnery inside. Sound Value. And that's still Save Our Queen by a length. Carry Over. Moving up on the outside second. Donnery inside. Don Sentry. Ingay is on the outside fourth. As they come down at the last 150, we have Carry Over by about 2 lengths. Moving up on the outside now is Sound Value. Ingay, Don Sentry. Last 50 meters, we have Carry Over. Second, Don Sentry. Ingay, Sound Value. Then comes Manpower.